Ready to take control of your health, optimize your energy, and unlock your peak performance? Introducing the Men's Vitality Panel, a comprehensive test done at home designed to help you live your healthiest, most vital life. Now, did you know? Studies show that nearly 70% of men have at least one preventable risk factor preventing heart disease. And with this Men's Vitality Panel, you can take control and take proactive steps to stay ahead.
Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among men, and nearly 1 in 3 men have some form of cardiovascular disease. That's why this test measures key markers like total cholesterol and direct LDL to assess your overall cholesterol profile. Small density LDL, the harmful cholesterol that increases plaque buildup risk. HDL, your good cholesterol, which helps protect your arteries. Critical ratios like TCHDL that provide a clearer picture of your heart health risk. Next, we check for hidden inflammation, a silent driver of disease using CRP. Elevated levels can point to chronic health risks, including heart disease. We also assess your glucose levels, helping you understand your metabolic health and identify early signs of insulin resistance or diabetes. Your hormones play a critical role in energy, mood, and vitality. Total and free testosterone reveal your active hormone levels that drive muscle mass, libido, and energy. SHBG, sex hormone binding globulin, shows how much testosterone is available for your body to use. DHEAS, the precursor hormone, provides insights into adrenal and overall hormone health. We also analyze your omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid levels, including the balance between anti-inflammatory and pro-inflammatory fats. This insight can guide simple dietary changes to reduce inflammation and improve heart and brain health. Finally, we assess key markers like PSA to monitor prostate health and TSH for thyroid function, an essential driver of energy, mood, and metabolism. The Men's Vitality Panel gives you a comprehensive look at your health, covering everything from heart health and inflammation to hormones and metabolism. This test empowers you to address the root causes of fatigue, low energy, or other concerns, so you can feel your strongest and most confident self. With clear, actionable insights, it's a game changer for men who want to take charge of their wellness. With just a simple at-home test, the Men's Vitality Panel gives you insights into your heart, hormones, metabolism, and more, all in one convenient package. Empower yourself to make informed decisions and take targeted steps toward better health. Your health is your power. Order your Men's Vitality Panel today and take the first step toward living your strongest, healthiest life. We are dedicated to providing you with the most precise and actionable results so you can take meaningful steps to optimize your health and vitality. This is the clarity you've been waiting for.